How to fix Dell laptop slow performance on Windows 7 to 10. So if you want to fix your Dell laptop slow performance on your Windows 10, 11 to 7, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply press Windows and R keys together and it will open up your run command. Now here you need to enter %temp and then hit the enter. After that you need to press Ctrl A and select all, and after that right click and delete or press delete. Do this to all current items and then go with continue. And once you've done with this, you need to go back and then again go with your run command, press Windows and R keys together, and you need to type temp, and under your temp you will have all of these folders. You need to go with Ctrl A and then you need to go with delete or press delete on your keyboard, and after that it will delete all of your temporary folders. Click on do this for all current items and then skip. Once you've done this, now the second one is again go with your run command, and here you need to enter Prefetch. Hit the enter, and under Prefetch you need to press Ctrl A and then select all and then delete. Now the second solution is you just need simply go with your search, and under search you need to search for power and sleep setting. Go with power, sleep and battery settings, which is right here. Under that, if you scroll down, you will have the advanced section, advanced powered options. You just need to simply go with that. And under the advanced, you will have power plan. So you need to go with high performance. Make sure that your power mode or your power plan is selected to best power efficiency or best performance. So you can go with best performance in order to enhance your performance. I'll suggest you to select best performance, and after that your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can search for system configuration. Here you need to go with services and then go with hide all Microsoft services. And after that, you will have an option of VMware SVGA Helper servers. You need to go and uncheck that box. And after unchecking, you can go with apply and OK. Once you've done with it, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then the fourth solution is you need to open up your task manager. So right click on your taskbar. Here you need to go with task manager. And here you need to go with unimportant service that you are not using, and you need to right click on it and then go with end task. Do that same, go with end task to the task that you are not using, and after that your problem might be fixed. So that's it. These are the few solutions, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.